In this video, we're going to look at consonances and dissonances. So this is just a way to categorize intervals. So we have two categories, either the consonant intervals or the dissonant intervals. Consonant intervals are just intervals which sound nice. They sound pleasant, stable, and they go together very well. For example, we might have a third. And you can see it's got a really pleasant quality about it. We could have a fifth, which sounds quite hollow, but it sounds quite stable. The sixth, quite similar to the third, and the octave. Once again, sounds very hollow. So that's in the consonant category. In the dissonant category, we have the second. See, it's sort of crunchy, it's a little bit crunchy, that sound. We have the fourth, which can be problematic, and the seventh. And once again, that sounds quite grating. So dissonances want to resolve. They have to go somewhere. They sound very, very tense, and they resolve onto usually a consonance, making it sound stable. So the consonances justify the dissonances. And this is related to a topic called voice leading, which will be discussed in a following video. So just as some examples of these dissonances wanting to resolve, particularly the fourth, why the fourth would be regarded as a dissonance. So if we have the second, maybe we spread this out by an octave, so there's a second or the ninth, just have a listen to it on its own. And now let's listen to it resolve. Or resolving down. And let's take another one. So the fourth wants to resolve down onto a third. And another one, the seventh, resolving up to the octave, another consonance. Just one other point to bring out, you can flip intervals upside down. So for example, we could have C to E, which is a third, and that's a consonance. And then we could flip this upside down, so you have E at the bottom. This is now a sixth, which is also a consonance, and it's the same sort of quality of consonance as well. And then we could do the same thing with a second. This is a dissonance, and we could flip it upside down, and it becomes a seventh, which is also a dissonance. The fourth is a bit problematic, as we've said. So the fourth, let's say C to F, is dissonant here, but we flipped it upside down, and it's consonant, a fifth. So this is a slightly unusual one, and this has implications for invertible counterpoint, which is a rather complicated topic, but it's dealt with quite simply in portamento terms. So once you practice your rule of the octave and some other sequences, the invertible nature of some of these contrapuntal lines are much more simple than they would be just in terms of written or explanatory terms. So there's a quick video on consonances and dissonances. Hopefully that's been informative. Thank you for watching.